This is a short, low-pressure piano improvisation video that is going to be a challenge that takes place over the next 6 weeks. Think of it as little bite-sized ideas that are going to help you go from virtually playing nothing to playing something absolutely beautiful. By the end of today's video, you will be playing a beautiful chord progression in the key of A minor and have a win today. So we're going to start out today in the key of A minor. If that doesn't mean anything to you, the only thing that you need to remember is that we're playing between an A and it's all of the white notes. I love the key of A minor because we don't have to worry about any of the black notes. Now, I do lots of other videos on different keys that we can play in that do include black notes, but for today, we're starting fresh and we're only going to be playing on white notes. Now, we're going to immediately get both hands together, even though that scares some people, but let's not be frightened. We're going to start with our left hand, and we're going to use our number 2 finger. So remember, we go 1 with our thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with our 2 finger, I want you to play an A, and you're just going to be playing an A over and over again to start out with. Okay, now we're starting really, really simple. So just over and over again with your 2 finger, be playing the A. And when you're playing this, I want you to relax your other fingers. There's not really a rhythm. You're just kind of going. And so what I mean by relaxing your fingers is that I don't want the fingers to be curled up like this so you have just your finger out. We don't have a fist and we're doing our finger. I want the rest of your fingers to be relaxed on the keys. But when you go up and down using your whole arm, you're just going to be hitting the A. And now in the right hand, we're going to do the same thing. That's it. That's how we start. Now, that's not very musical yet, but we're going to make it musical right away. Okay, so now what we're going to do, now that we have nice relaxed fingers in our right hand, I want you to lay your right hand down on 5 different notes. So we're going to start with the A, B, C, D, and E, and just kind of go through there and feel each individual finger. So nice and relaxed, up and down that little tiny scale. So it's 5 notes in a row, so this is called a 5-finger position. All right, and now get your right hand ready, and we're going to start now hitting that A. Here we go. And just hit it every 2 notes. Or you can just hold it down, just like that. Now, that shouldn't be very difficult for you. So we're going to expand this just a little bit more, and I'm going to give you your very first chord, and that is the A minor chord. So here is how we make the A minor chord. So the 3 notes are A, C, and E. So we're going to play those with our 1, our 3, and our 5 finger together. If you're really struggling with having these 2 fingers like sticking up in the air, or I have a lot of beginners who really struggle to get that middle note, you can also just do the A and the E. Either way is going to be fine. So you can do the whole full chord, or you can do just the A and the E. And same deal, we're just going to do up and down and try those. And now let's add our 5-finger position in here. Just one note after another, or even just holding down that chord. Let's try that. Okay, now right now it still seems like an exercise and not a song. We want to make it sound a little bit more musical. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it down an octave. Right now I have middle C right here. I'm going to take my chord down to this octave right here. And then my right hand is going to stay in the same place. Now this time I'm going to alternate between my left hand and my right hand. But instead of doing the little pattern like this, I'm going to do any of those notes in any order. So it can be like this. And And the only rule is that we begin and end on the A. So here's how I want you to start out. We're going to do left hand, right hand. So we'll do 1 beat with our left hand, 3 beats with our right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then together. Once you get the hang of alternating, now we're going to play it hands together. Same deal. 4 beats. Now I have one more option for you for the left hand, and this also takes some practice, but I think that you're up for the challenge. And so basically we have 3 different choices in our left hand. So we have our chord, we have our A and our E, or you can take the A and you can repeat it with another A on top with your thumb. This takes some getting used to, but I want you to just now try this. Make sure that you've got that. And now let's put it hands together. And if you want to change it up even more, because we're only doing one thing in our left hand, we can now change up rhythms in the right. So it doesn't always have to be 1, 1, 1, 1. That is your quarter note. We don't always have to do just a quarter note. So now let's give this a try where we change up rhythms in our left hand. And I'm also going to use my sustain pedal. If you have a piano that has pedals, you will notice that you will either have 1, 2, or 3 pedals. If you have 3 pedals, we're going to take this pedal over here on the right-hand side. And this is called your sustain pedal. Here's what the piano sounds like without the use of the sustain pedal. And if I press it down, here's how it sounds. And we'll do more pedal technique in the future and on future videos. However, the one thing I want you to remember when you are using the pedal is to keep your heel on the ground. And it is just your toes that is going to be going up and down. And you see in my left hand, all I'm doing is holding that for 4 beats. So you can do any rhythm you want, but let's just start out right there. The last thing that we're going to do today in our improvisation, we're still not moving out of this 5-finger position, but we're going to now alternate between doing an octave or a chord each time, just to show you that it makes it sound just a little bit different. So let's try this out. If you like playing in A minor and would like another video where I detail all of the different things that go into making a beautiful improvisation, go ahead and check this one out.